Hey, blessings and prosperity, everyone. It's your boy Tone Prestige checking in. Hey, man, as you can see, I'm most definitely safe, masked up, gloves on. You know what I'm saying? Social distance and all that good stuff. Look here, man. Hey, one thing I wanted to drop a couple of jewels today. I hadn't checked in a while, so Happy New Year. Kudos to everyone. Hope y'all on y'all investment moves. This by far is no way, shape, form, or fashion investment advice, but I do want to show you something real quick. Okay, so today I went to my mailbox, and we're gonna start with this black marker. I'm gonna take the black marker, which I actually already have done. I'll show you. And I crossed out some mail that I had, so my address wouldn't show. Okay, but anyway, safety precautions. Gloved up, mask on. Not sure what's going on with this package. But let's discuss this package. So I received something from Nielsen SoundScan today from USPS. Okay, so ordinary mail, you would think, let's open it and see what it is. But what caught my attention was the back of the envelope. There's a circular window that clearly shows some mooch, some real money. You know what I'm saying? So the thing that prompted me to do this video today is, where is the dollar really going when they start physically? Now, I know about stimulus and all that stuff, that they're trying to pump up the economy and, get us ready for, reopening and all of that good stuff. But what I can't seem to fathom is, when have they started just sending out cash money? I don't even know if it's real money, honestly, because I have not opened it. As you can see, it's still sealed. But like I said, cross my address out. But let's open this and see what we have here. We're gonna read. All right, I'm gonna break the seal. Ran out of video. Don't have much time left, but as you can see, I'm breaking the seal. And of course, because I'm only marked on the outside of the envelope, I'm gonna have to mark the inside. So I'll be right back. Check this out. All right, guys. So we're gonna get back into this thing, man. The battery died on me, and I wanted to show you guys. So I crossed out my name, went inside, crossed out my name and address. You know what I'm saying? So let's talk about the contents of this envelope. So we have here a letter from Nielsen. Nielsen, as you can see. All right. So what it reads is, "Dear so and so area household." That's wherever you live is to me. But anywho, have you ever wondered how radio, television, and other media outlets decide what shows to broadcast or to cancel? In large part, those decisions are based on feedback from people like you. Your household, along with a few other households in your area, has been randomly selected. To us, randomly selected means that they just drop the name in the hat and here you go, right? Okay, well, let's continue. All right. Your household, along with a few other households in your area, has been randomly selected to participate in this important research study. The enclosed $2 is our way of saying thank you for your consideration of our request. So let's look into this envelope. The final contents, $2. $2 cash, free money, right? So what does that tell us about this? Paper, fiat currency. Anywho, carry on. Please have an adult take just a few minutes, I'm an adult, to complete this short survey. Then return it to us in the stamped envelope we have provided. Because we appreciate your time, we will send you an additional $5 in cash. So they're going to give me $7 whole dollars to do this survey. Okay? If you have any questions or concerns, please call us toll free at this number. Because we are a professional research company, you can be assured we will never try to sell you anything, and we respect your privacy. But you sent me $2 privately with an open window and the money showing in my mailbox. How private is that? Okay. With many thanks, the Chief Research Officer, and whatever their name is. Anyway, I don't think I will be doing this survey, even though they're promising to send me $5 more. But thank you for the $2. Now, going forward, what am I going to do with this $2? I'll probably buy me something to invest in and see what I can turn their $2 into. Maybe some Bitcoin. Maybe not. Maybe a share of some kind of stock. I don't know. Maybe some gas. But it showed up in my mailbox and it's mine. So, with that being said, $2 like Fable. I'm out. Blessing and prosperity, everyone. This right here, don't let it make you. Don't let it break you. It means nothing. All praise to the Most High, who means everything. Yeah. Signing off, man. It's your boy Tone Prestige checking in. And again, blessing and prosperity to everyone. I got on my son's clothing brand. Rich in the mind, rich in the soul. Prestigious Kids. How ironic that money is just showing up at my house. Cash money is just showing up at my door. With a slogan like that, if I were you, I'd be investing in some of this right here. Because I'm definitely rich in the mind and rich in my soul. But I will never sell my soul for this. And last but not least, you know, in knowing that the Federal Reserve destroys on average $5 million daily. $5 million. Out of pressing up 19 million, they just print this stuff out of thin air. Then you know what I really mean by this. It has no intrinsic value. That's why they can send you cash money to your doorstep. That's why they can allow you to just wallow around in the debt cycle. We have to beat this, man. It's a generational curse that we have to learn. You know what I'm saying? And with that being said, money is worthless. Use it as a tool. Don't allow it to consume you. Don't allow it to control you. You understand what I'm saying? So, hey, man, just keep on pushing, man. Keep on thriving. Keep on striving, man, to be great. Do you. Blessings and prosperity. And like that,
success.
Run your race, man.
Yes. Success.
Feel it, man.
Yeah.
We up.
They say success is not final.
That's real.
Failure is not fatal. For it is the courage to continue that counts. Law of the land.
Let's go.
Check me out.
Most people chase success without the clearest mindset. It's billions on the table. My life is not a fable. Born without a brother, so there is no Cain and Abel. I'm walking on a tightrope. They dangling from a cable. Business and manufacturing is what I'm after. If my life was a book, it wouldn't be an ending chapter. Law of the land, sees as eternal life. I found that good thing. I married my wife. I gotta get it up. You know I need residuals. I'm trying to buy an island off the coast of Africa. Unguja, the largest one in Tanzania. Underpopulated, it ain't even hit a meal. See, baby girl, he ain't love loving you right. I'm focused on success, I'm trying to get right. Let's build up companies, annuities, longevities. I'm talking generational wealth across the 7 seas. Mutual funds, bank dividends, invest in Bitcoin. I need all my ends. I'm on a mission and I promise I'ma take mine. The only thing you can't buy back is your time. Say, baby girl, he ain't loving you right. I'm focused on success, I'm trying to get right. Let's build up companies, annuities, longevity. I'm talking generational wealth across the 7 seas. Mutual funds, bank dividends, invest in Bitcoin. I need all my ends. I'm on a mission and I promise I'ma take mine. The only thing you can't buy back is your time. Success. Yes. Success. Yes. Assets versus liabilities, grasshopper. Never forget that the tortoise won the race against the hare. Silly rabbit.